the allegation against Congress is that Congress should have staked the claim. Even Supreme Court asked you, why did you not stake the claim? Don't you think that was a tactical error? Congress should have staked the claim, and then at least you would have bought more time to strategize and move further.
Yes, I agree with you. There was a discussion took place in the party office. I called PCC President by 5 o'clock because 6 o'clock was supposed to be the meeting, MLAs meeting. So I called the PCC President by 5 o'clock and asked him to prepare the letter. So PCC President, Mr. Luzin Filtro, also prepared the letter. It was in the system. Then after that, we called the MLA, some of the MLAs came, some of the senior leaders also has come. Then there was a discussion. See, people, the different viewpoints will come. So someone has told that after electing the leader, then only you have to go to the governor. Then we discussed with consulted with the lawyers also. Then they said on behalf of the party we can give a letter.
Absolutely. The Pradesh Congress Committee President can give the letter.
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah.
So Pradesh Congress Committee President was insisting to give a letter. They don't have to.
Now the point is, he is the sitting Chief Minister and he is going to the election. Why do you think people of Panjim should defeat a candidate who is already a Chief Minister, and why they should choose somebody else whom they don't know and whose future is uncertain? Why do you ask people of Panjim to vote against a sitting Chief Minister?
Now this is a chance to withdraw the government itself. So this is the most thing. So this will be a lesson for the future. If the youngsters, think about the youngsters. They want to cleanse the politics.
But then the onus also lies on the Congress to give a clean candidate.
No, see, the thing is very clear. Whatever I feel, that is not only the thing. I have to take the opinion from the voters also, from that organizational structures also. I have to take everybody into confidence. And winnability is also very important. In any electoral thing, winnability is the main thing. You have to take into consideration. Yes, I can give a very clean image to person. But if the winnability is not there.
You are saying it is not enough to be clean, it is also required to be electable.
It's electable. So that's what I am telling. This is a one golden opportunity. Not only Panjim, it is in Walpai also.
People will ask you a very simple question. If you are asking us to defeat a Chief Minister, a sitting Chief Minister, then who will be your Chief Minister? Ultimately, it's about the leader who takes the flock ahead. Who is the leader of your flock? Because there has been many apprehensions in the minds of people that when it comes to deciding a Chief Minister, Congress holds back.
No.
Congress somehow goes into the shell and says that वो बाद में देखेंगे.
The leader is not an issue. Our Bible is the party's manifesto. So whoever the Chief Minister, they have to run the government with the Congress party's ideology and also Congress party's manifesto. So within the framework of this only they have to work.
So still Congress wouldn't tell people that who will lead the flock.
No, anybody can lead the flock. See, Chief Ministership is nobody's birthright. It is not anybody's birthright. Anybody become an MLA, or if the MLAs get elected, anybody outside this thing also, they can become a Chief Minister. So why you want to insist only one person or two person like that? Everybody has the capacity.
So you are keeping an option open of even getting a good, clean person from outside and making him the Chief Minister.
Why
if
not?
People of Panjim defeat the present Chief Minister.
Why not?
So all cards are very close to your chest. You will open them only after the by-election.
Yes. Many BJP MLAs also in touch with me. See, like how BJP want to polarize, they want to send a message and get a political sympathy. Like that, I am not like a person. Yes, Lot of people are in touch with me.
Your BJP MLAs are in touch
Yeah,
with you.
BJP MLAs are in touch with me. There are also so many people are sending feelers also.
They want to join Congress.
Yes,
There are BJP MLAs who want to join Congress.
yes.